Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So if you are new here, then please take a moment and subscribe to my channel and also ring that notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any uploads from my end, and you are notified then and there. And if you are a regular visitor, well, thanks for being here for me and I appreciate you being regular. Well, okay, enough of the self-promotion. So let's get to the video of the day. So today I'm going to play around with the Saharan by Juvias. Now, lately I have been playing around with a freaky palette by Juvias, and side note, I'm totally in love with that palette. So I have been playing around with a freaky palette, a lot of fun, a lot of colors. So I would be linking those looks somewhere in the due course of the video. So do check it out if you haven't already. And yeah, so I basically thought let's tone it down a notch, play around with jewel tones, play around with some nudes, basically play around with this beautiful palette. So can you see how beautiful the shades are here? Well, this is my playground right here, and this is the first look that I have come up with. If you like what you see and want to know how I created this look, then stay here and keep on watching. I'm gonna take the color Jamila right here, and please don't mind my brushes. Honestly, I couldn't wash them, so they're a tad dirty, but we'll just skip over that. And I'm gonna place this color over my crease. As you can see right here, I'm packing the color there, and then in a small circular motions and back and forth motions, I'm gonna blend this hotness out. As you can see, I'm just trying to create a cone kind of a shape here. It'll just help enhance the whole look of my eye. Repeat the process as many times as you want till the time you get color payoff or the pigmentation that you desire. So I have built the color up till this level. I think it is pretty damn good. And then I am kind of taking the color Katsina right here and just buffing the edges out. Beautiful transition shade. You can immediately see the difference. This side looks diffused, more seamlessly blended, and this looks very stark and not the best side. Then I'm going to take a very teeny tiny bit of the color Sokoto and just deepen up my crease a little bit. I'm using the same brush. Yeah, I know there are bloggers who use 10,000 brushes for one color, and I'm the exact opposite. I use one brush for whole of my eye look. But honestly, I'm just trying to keep it real. Immediately giving a depth and deepness to my eyes. I'm so missing a dark brown here, but we'll work with what we have. So next up, I'm taking the shade Kia, which is a beautiful teal ocean green kind of a shade. So I'll be putting it on the outer half of my lid, and then I'm going to take this shade Hudabeauty and putting it on the inner half of my lid. Why do I even try it with a brush? Guys, can you see how beautiful the shade is? Guys, can we take a moment and look at this gold? It is like a khaki gold, like gold with a mix of green, and it's such a unique color. It's so beautiful. And for my lower lash line, I'm going to take a little bit of Sokoto and a teeny tiny bit of Jade. And I'm going to take this beautiful shade Iman and place it on the inner corners of my eyes. I know this is a little not the obvious choice, but I wanted to create a contrast. So why not? And can you see how beautiful it's looking? Oh my god. I wish I find it in me to put this shade Iman on all over my lid. So let's see. Let's keep our fingers crossed. A little bit of... So this is the look without any enhancement in terms of kajal, mascara, liner, lashes. So yeah, this is the whole look, and let me just go and put all those enhancements and give you the final look. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you had fun watching this video, because honestly I had a blast filming it for you guys, and I honestly am digging this look. Honestly, for the first impressions, I can say this palette is giving a Freaky by Juvias a tough competition. I am kind of liking this. So this is it from my end, guys. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.